Is it time to buy or sell NIO stock? In this video, we will explore NIO in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on the 23rd of January, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since January 23rd, 2025, our system has classified NIO as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -2.91. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it develops in the upcoming days. The stock currently sits in the midst of a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating further decreases ahead within this trend. Analyzing the 3-month trend reveals a potential decrease of approximately 17.39% over the coming 3 months, with a possible return ranging from -26.03% to -3.45%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it suggests a decline of around 9.18% over the next year, with potential returns between -28.25% and +53.83%. This projection translates to a price range between $2.96 and $6.35 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for NIO features the headline, "Weaker technical forecast for NIO as stock downgraded to sell candidate." On the most recent trading day, the NIO stock price experienced a decline of 3.5%, falling from $4.28 to $4.13. Throughout that day, the stock fluctuated by 3.05%, with a low of $4.10 and a high of $4.22. Over the past 2 weeks, the stock has seen a loss of 8.43%. Notably, trading volume decreased on the last day alongside the stock price, which is generally a positive indicator, as volume should align with stock movements. On that day, trading volume fell by 7 million shares, with a total of 33 million shares exchanged for approximately $134.25 million. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the stock was $7.70, while the lowest was $3.61. Currently, the stock price is 46.36%, or $3.57, below the 52-week high, and 93.83%, or $62.86, below the all-time high reached on January 11, 2021, when the price peaked at $66.99. NIO is making headlines with its recent partnership with Aurora Mobile, which allows the NIO phone to utilize JPush's push messaging channels. This integration could enhance customer engagement, potentially driving sales as the brand connects more effectively with its users. As NIO strengthens its presence in the technology-focused electric vehicle market, it may attract investors seeking innovative growth stories. Despite recent challenges in the market, optimism surrounds the electric vehicle sector as analysts highlight NIO's potential. Following impressive growth in the S&P 500 over the last 2 years, many strategists are confident that the technology and artificial intelligence rally will continue, potentially lifting NIO's stock price. Recent trading activity indicates NIO shares gained 1.46% last week and settled at $4.10, showing resilience despite trailing broader market trends. Additionally, United States-listed Chinese stocks, including NIO, have been rallying on strong trade data, which could create further positive momentum. Looking at the longer term, NIO is positioning itself as a key player in the evolving electric vehicle landscape, particularly as the market begins to recover from previous inflationary pressures and supply chain issues. This strategic positioning could bode well for NIO's stock performance as investor sentiment remains cautious yet intrigued by the sector's growth potential. Overall, these developments suggest a cautiously optimistic outlook for NIO's stock in both the short and long term. Currently, there are no recent analyst ratings available for this stock. For additional insights, you might explore third-party opinions or conduct an online search. Analysts have assigned NIO stock a general sell rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also rate the stock with a strong sell designation. The following signals have been identified for NIO. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Monday, the 13th of January, 2025. Since then, the stock has increased by 1.72%. Further upward movement is anticipated until a new top pivot is established. However, there are also some negative signals that may impact short-term developments. The NIO stock is currently receiving sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, presenting a more pessimistic outlook. Additionally, there is an overarching sell signal indicated by the relationship between these averages, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. On upward corrections, resistance may be encountered at levels of $4.18 and $4.46. A breakout above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. Moreover, there is presently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume has decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which mitigates overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal 8 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 7 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 12 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 12 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 31 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 39 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop loss for NIO. NIO has established support at $4.10, a level that may present a buying opportunity. We can anticipate an upward reaction when this support is tested. This stock typically experiences moderate daily movements, and with a solid trading volume, the associated risk is deemed medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by 12.5 cents, which represents 3.05%. Throughout the last week, the average daily volatility was 4.44%. Before we dive into the potential good trading levels for NIO, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can go through downturns, often due to factors that are beyond their control. However, if a company consistently shows negative PE ratios, it may suggest a lack of profit and possible risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 4th of March, 2025. Analysts have consensus estimates of a loss of $0.4. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for NIO. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for NIO is at $4.33. If you don't currently own any shares, you might consider waiting for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a consideration for swing trading. On the downside, NIO encounters its first support level at $4.10. If this support level holds, it may present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for NIO from multiple analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred over 3 months ago. The latest transaction took place on the 24th of February in the year 2016, when Citigroup Inc. conducted an insider sale of 850 shares of variable rate demand preferred shares. Our assessment of this stock is unfavorable, and there is currently no stop loss in place. Is NIO stock a good buy? NIO exhibits several negative indicators and is currently positioned within a broad declining trend. As a result, we anticipate that its performance will remain weak over the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we have revised our assessment of this stock to a negative stance. Given some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have adjusted our recommendation from a hold or accumulate to a sell candidate since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, Our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 24th of January, we expect NIO to open at approximately 1,830 cents and begin trading around $4.15. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.